market participants in last eight months, and we have focused majorly on the FII activity. This data was prepared on 9th of April 2021 at Nifty spot of 14,834 closing and Bank Nifty spot of 32,448. So let's see what is the analysis and what have we derived. So what we analyzed, we looked at FI index futures long Y versus short Y. We have seen that after January, the long Y is decreasing, short Y is increasing. We analyzed index futures long Y versus participant wise long Y, which includes FII, DII as well as clients. We have seen that after February, whereas the gross Y was increasing, the FII activity was decreasing. We looked at the FI index futures short Y versus participants total short Y. We have seen it increasing after January for all the market participants. However, it was stagnant for the FII. We analyzed the FI index options long Y versus short Y. We have seen clearly that short Y was increasing after January and long Y was decreasing. FI index options long Y versus participants index options long Y, we have seen that it was consistently increasing for the participant wise activity. However, the FI activity was stagnated. Index options short Y versus participant index options short Y, it was stagnated for FIs. However, it was increasing for clients. Majorly index options, index futures open interest analysis at different expiries versus gross futures Y. For the far futures, it was increasing after January. However, for near futures, it was decreasing from December to February. After that, it stagnated. However, the overall OI was decreasing. If you look at basis analysis of Nifty, very interesting factor. We have seen that it was consistently increasing. However, after March, it has been decreasing. For the far futures, it was increasing. Increasing dramatically. But after March, it has started converging with the next futures. If you look at Bank Nifty analysis of basis, then we have seen it consistently increasing far futures. The basis is highly increasing. It has gone away from next futures basis. If we analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty rollover data, then huge rollover on a daily basis in March for Bank Nifty futures, and after that, in last week of March, we have seen the rollover in the Bank Nifty futures also. Nifty PCR, interesting thing. It is coming down regularly, just like resistance on the upper side for PCR. So, what is the overall analysis? The overall analysis says that what FIAs are doing is that for the index futures, for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures, the support level is 12,800, 13,100 for the bank for the Nifty, and for Bank Nifty the support is 29,000, 29,800. However, where is the resistance? The resistance is 14,300 and 33,000 for Bank Nifty. What does it say? What does it refer? It says that at current levels, till Nifty spot doesn't come below 14,300, and somewhere between 12,800 to 14,300, FIIs are creating more short positions in index futures than long positions. Similarly, in the case of Bank Nifty futures, they are creating more short positions than long positions. They might like to find a base near 12,800, 13,100 as a support on the downside. As far as index options goes, 12,800, 13,100 is a very strong resistance. 29,000, 29,800 is a resistance for Bank Nifty. For what does it mean? Currently, FIIs are creating more short positions. They are they are buying more put, selling calls, then buying put and then selling put and buying call. So after 12,800 is hit, or the Nifty spot comes to that level, and Bank Nifty spot comes to 29,000, 29,800, we might see that that FIIs might go for creating for selling put and buying the calls, and that might be the base. Now analyze the stock futures. So FI stock futures long Y versus short Y. See, it is consistently converging. The shorts are increasing, longs are decreasing since November. Similarly, FI stock futures long Y versus participant wise stock futures long Y. See that it has been decreasing for stock futures. For FIIs, they are decreasing since October onwards. However, for all the market participants taken together, it has stagnated since then. If you look at FI stock futures short Y versus participant wise stock futures short Y, see participant wise short Y is consistently increasing post November. However, for FIs it has been consistently decreasing since then. FI stock options long Y versus short Y, see how it has been stagnated throughout from November onwards, but after 20th January it has been increasing for stock option short Y, and we are seeing that the stock option long Ys are constantly decreasing. Now, stock options long for long stock options long Y versus participant stock option long Y. We are seeing that after November it has been increasing consistently for the participants as well as for FIs. However, after February it has been decreasing. Similarly, FI stock option short Y versus participant stock option short Y, it has been increasing since December onwards every month, but after February it has been decreasing. Same for the FIs also. What is the analysis? The analysis says that 14,500 Nifty spot and 35,000 Bank Nifty spot the support zone of wherein FIs are creating longs in FI and in stock futures. They are playing in stock futures. They are regularly creating long positions in stock futures with the base of 14,500 Nifty and 35,000 Bank Nifty spot. Where is the resistance for stock options? They are creating short positions in the stock options with the same resistance 14,500 and 35,000 for Bank Nifty. So what does it mean? Till 14,500 is taken out, we'll keep on seeing that FIs will keep creating longs in stock futures, and they are short in stock options, means they are buying more put and they are selling more calls at these levels. Two more things: FI stock cash activity versus DI stock cash activity. Our data says that Nifty spot 14,700 and Bank Nifty spot 35,200 is a strong resistance on the upside. Similarly, if we look at the Nifty advanced decline versus Nifty spot, then we can see that the Nifty support is 12,800. So all the data shows that 12,800, 13,100 is a very strong support on the downside. 14,700, 800 is a very strong resistance on the downside. We have shared the data for index future and options, stock future and options, and cash stock buying and selling also. So this is the data. Standard disclaimer: we are a civil research analyst, and this data must not be construed as an investment advice. Thanks for watching this video. Do trade well and do keep your stop losses and keep following Sharad Mission Associates. Thank you.